Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Pesang Isda. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have cabbage, choy, ginger, tomatoes, chopped onions. Today we'll be using catfish steak. We have rice wash here. Okay, we're gonna use salted black bean. We're gonna use tofu, salt, patis or fish sauce, ground black pepper, olive oil, garlic, and of course we're gonna use some water. Okay, in addition to our rice wash. First thing we have to do is we will apply salt and pepper on the fish, and we will sear it or fry it to make it golden brown, because if we will not do that, it will disintegrate when we do the Pesang Isda, or fish with vegetables and soup. And at the same time, or after that, we will saute it, and then we're gonna prepare the sauce for it, which is this time we call it we're gonna use tofu and black bean, and we're gonna saute it with tomatoes. So let's proceed to the next step. Now we will apply black pepper on the fish. Okay. All right. You're gonna apply it evenly like this. All right. Before we fry it, and then we'll put sprinkle of salt. All right, there you go. And then we're gonna fry it. Let's proceed to the stove. Now in our hot wok here, we will put olive oil or vegetable oil to sear the fish. Okay, we'll make it golden brown before we put the other ingredients. Okay, so it's hot now. We'll put our fish. Okay, like that. There you go. Let's probably cook this for the next 3 minutes each side, and we will proceed to the next step. Now after 3 minutes, you're gonna flip this over. There you go. So it's golden brown now, and we need to cook the other side. All right. Beautiful. So cook this again for the next 3 minutes, and we'll be right back. Now both sides are golden brown now. We will set this aside. Okay. All right. Okay. you go. Okay. Now we will saute this, and first we're gonna put our ginger. Let's fry our ginger for 2 minutes. Alright. And then let's add our onions. Cook it for another minute. Now we will add our garlic. There you go. Cook it for the next 30 seconds. Let's put a little bit of fish sauce, like 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay. Smells very good now. Now this is the right time to put back our fish. Okay, there you go. This is the fish that we fried a while ago. Okay, there you go. Add some ground pepper, and then we will add the rice wash. Okay. Okay. Put the rice wash over there and let it simmer for the next 3 minutes. Now it's simmering now, so let's put our cabbage. Okay. And we're gonna put the bok choy a little bit later. So let's cover it. Now we put the bok choy already. We're gonna wait 2 minutes for this, and this will be done. And then after that, we will cook the sauce. Now in our hot pan here, we're gonna put oil. We're gonna cook the sauce. Okay, we're gonna make the sauce for the dipping sauce for this Pesang Isda. Okay, so let's put onions. Let's cook this for the next minute or so. Now we'll add garlic. Okay, cook it for another minute. The sauce that we are making is what we call tahure. This is the homemade tahure, which came from tofu and black bean. So this time we're gonna put our tomatoes. There are 2 ways of doing it. You don't need to saute it. You just mix the black bean with tofu, and that should be it. Now I prefer to saute it with tomato because it tastes a lot better. So let's cover this. Now let's check our sauce. Okay, the tomatoes are cooked already. Now we're gonna put our tofu and green bean. Black bean. Okay, cook this for the next 3 minutes and should be done. So this is what we call homemade tahure. This is a very good sauce for our pesang or Pesang Isda. Okay, let's cover it. Now let's check our tahure. Wow, this is cooked. This is cooked. So this will be our dipping sauce for the Pesang Isda. Here's our finished product, Pesang Isda. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.